Okay, folks, today I am bringing you a review of a new light I got. It is the OLIGHT S2R baton. Just got this in the mail and gonna do a quick unboxing of it, and then we can go through some of the features and functions. So let's get started. Let's tear into this thing. As you can see, open this baby up on the back. Packaging is always really nice in these OLIGHTs. So there's the lanyard that you always get, and the pouch. This one comes with a little bit bigger pouch and some material. And here is the light. You see they clip it back on here. So we're going to just, let's see here, slide this bad boy out of there. That's nifty. And there we have it. There is the OLIGHT S2R baton. You can see the charging dock on the bottom. So there we go. Okay, here's some more features of the light. It has a nice pocket clip. You can use this for bezel up. I call it bezel up or down. You can just switch it around, but I like it like this. You can use it for putting on the brim of a hat or whatnot. Now it does have several brightness levels, so I'll just use this, press and hold to go into moonlight mode. The only way you can access this is from the off position. That is great for just getting around at night. It's a 0.5 lumens. And it also has a timer mode that is very unique. It is, you double press and you hold. So we're going to double press. Oops, I triple click there. Double press and hold it. It's going to blink. That tells you you're in timer mode. One is for the long timer. That's going to give you 9 minutes of run time. Double press and hold. 2 is going to give you the short timer. Maybe vice versa. I can't remember for sure, but it's going to go off into the 3 minutes or 9 minutes with the long and the short. So press and hold to move up in brightness. Press and hold. Double click and always go to high. Off. It has a lockout feature, so you can hold this, press, go off, and then it'll bring a momentary at the lowest moonlight level. Neat feature, a little bit different than the way the S1R was. So we're going to press and hold this, come out of lockout. That's nice in your pocket, but so it doesn't accidentally turn on. Has a nice TIR optic to give you a very smooth beam. As you can see, turn this on a little bit brighter. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but it is definitely a bright, smooth beam. We'll get some beam shots later. It's charging cradle again. Take a look at the battery here. This comes supplied with an OLIGHT 18650 customized battery. It is for high discharge, so it's going to give you that extra brightness. And it does go in differently. You don't put the positive side up. You're going to put it down. It does have protection on it, so that it won't work and you can't damage it if you put it in the wrong way, which is a little bit different on these lights since they are rechargeable. It does have a magnetic tail clip, so I can put this S1R here, and as you can see, it'll stick right to it, and vice versa. So really great size light, a little bit more substantial now. This gets 120 more lumens on turbo, so from off, you're going to pop that up there, and compared to the 900 from the S1R. So um, 100 lumens is 100 lumens, so this is going to give you a lot more runtime than this one, just for the pure fact that it's got a much larger capacity battery also. All right, we're gonna do a little test here in the in my closet. Gonna put it in pitch black, and we're gonna go ahead and see what kind of light output this gets in a total dark room. Now I'm gonna start out in the candlelight mode, which is 0.5 lumens. So I'm gonna press and hold, and now as you can see, it just barely lights that up. In real life, this is plenty of light once your eyes are adjusted to the darkness. It doesn't do any ceiling bounce. This is what it looks like on the ceiling, if you can see. But it does not give you any light from bouncing off the ceiling. Now I'm going to bump it up to the next level, and as you can see, just a little bit of ceiling bounce. definitely more light that's going to light up your way. This would be a good handy one for just being out walking. I'm going to bump it up to the 3rd level. Now it's definitely lighting up the room. You can see good ceiling bounce. Kind of gives you an idea of the no artifacts in the beam as well. I'm going to push it up a notch. Now we're lighting up the whole room. Again, really bright on the ceiling. Now one more. Bring it back down to the regular mode. Again, candle light mode could not go in. I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in turbo. Double click it from off. And as you can see, just lights up the entire room. Very bright. It'll stay this way and then knock back down to the lower setting. So this gives you an idea of what it looks like. Kind of turn it off. Total pitch black. You can see the light leak through my door just a little bit, but really, it's for all intents and purposes, it's pitch black in here. So this gives you an idea of what it'll do in a relatively small room. But again, almost pitch black in here. So next up, we'll get some outdoor shots, kind of see what kind of beam it throws out into the outside. Okay, here we are outside with the same place I had the reference shot. So we're going to start out. We're going to put this on candlelight mode. And as you can see, it's locked out here. So there's candlelight mode. You can see my deck, but no throw. We're going to bump this up one to the next level. Again, no, but you can still see my deck. And we're going to pop this up again. Still, with your naked eye, you can see pretty well, but no real throw there. Pop it up again. Now we're starting to see some good throw. And then we're going to bump it up one more time. Now it goes off down to moonlight. Now we're going to go up to the highest output, turbo, and as you can see, good throw. Really lights up the trail quite a ways. So there you have it. That is the beam shots of the S2R baton.